Welcome to an ordinary review with PJ. Today I'm going to talk about a movie and a series. Both of them are on the same theme, so I thought I'll combine the review. Let me start with the movie first. Any of you remember Megyn Kelly? Republican primaries 2016. Donald Trump is running for presidency for the Republican Party, and Megyn Kelly is the Fox News anchor who, in one of the debates, confronts him on his treatment towards women. And Donald Trump retorts with an unspeakable tweet, leading to a severe backlash for Megyn Kelly by the conservative crowd. Fox News Network, as you know, is a conservative news channel, so she does have a lot of issues with the channel, who's supporting Donald Trump's campaign and her confrontation with Trump. So the movie is about that, and also talks about other misdeeds that were happening at the Fox News Network at that time, and when the Me Too campaign had just taken off, where women spoke about sexual harassment at their workplaces. So the movie is called Bombshell. It stars Charlize Theron as Megyn Kelly. It also stars Nicole Kidman, Margot Robbie, and John Lithgow. John Lithgow plays Roger Ailes, who founded Fox News Network under Rupert Murdoch. So apart from the incident that I spoke about, Megyn Kelly confronting Donald Trump and the backlash she faces and the support that she seeks from the channel against the confrontation is one of the stories of the movie. But more importantly, the story actually covers Nicole Kidman's character. She plays Gretchen Carlson, who is famous for hosting Fox and Friends morning show at Fox News Network, and how she's actually sidelined because Roger Ailes thinks that she's past her prime and moved to an afternoon slot of a program, which she's very unhappy about. And then later she campaigns against the gun lobby in the US, and then gets eventually fired from Fox News Network, and then she sues Roger Ailes for sexual harassment, which opens up a Pandora's box for Me Too campaign. There are a lot of other news anchors who actually come forward to speak about the sexual harassment they faced at the hands of Roger Ailes at the Fox News Network, eventually leading to his sacking. The movie is actually, I would say, is a drama, but doesn't really hold that grip. You don't feel connected to the characters as much as you would like it to be. Particularly Nicole Kidman's character is quite weak, and Megyn Kelly's character, played by Charlize Theron, is more impactful. In fact, her physical makeover and John Lithgow's physical makeover of Roger Ailes is fantastic. Both of them actually look like the real life Megyn Kelly and Roger Ailes. Overall, the movie, I would say, not a great effort in terms of bringing out the incident, and doesn't hold you as a drama needs to hold while watching it. In fact, if you want to see what really happened at Fox News Network, particularly the Gretchen Carlson story and how Roger Ailes founded the network, and then of course made it the most successful news network in the US, but then had a darker and seedier side of him exposed by Gretchen Carlson, you should watch the series called The Loudest Voice on Disney Hotstar. The series stars Russell Crowe as Roger Ailes, and he's absolutely fantastic. The way he is acted like Roger Ailes, his physical transformation as Roger Ailes is fabulous. He actually won a Golden Globe Award for a limited drama series for that series, and is a must-watch if you are looking at how the Me Too campaign affected Fox News Network. In the series, Gretchen Carlson's character is played by Naomi Watts, and she's actually more impactful than what Nicole Kidman portrayed in the movie Bombshell. So I would recommend watching The Loudest Voice more than the movie Bombshell. The Loudest Voice is available on Disney Hotstar. The movie Bombshell is available on Airtel Extreme premium service, and it's something that I found it very interesting because it gets you to see what happens really behind the top news networks. And I'm sure every news network has a darker side to it. So I would recommend for you to definitely watch The Loudest Voice. And perhaps if you're interested to watch Bombshell, you can check it out, but not a very great movie, so you can as well avoid it if you're watching the series The Loudest Voice. So happy watching. Till next time. Thank you. And if you do like my reviews, I would just request you to please subscribe my channel and share your feedback so that I can continue to improve.